If someone's subject to inappropriate behaviour from a healthcare practitioner, the first place for them to go should obviously be their employer, and the employer may be able to sort it out immediately. If they can't, or it's really serious, then you should go to the healthcare workers regulator, so the Nursing and Midwifery Council or the General Medical Council, or one of those. They should look at it and they should take the practitioner to a fitness to practice panel. At that point, we would look at the fitness to practice panel's decision. And if we think that that's not sufficient to protect the public, so it's too lenient or they've made a decision which is wrong, then we can take that to court. And the court can require the regulator to do it again, or it can impose its own sanction. The MeToo campaign has recently shown the real problems that many women face, particularly when they are in a less powerful position from harassment from men who are senior colleagues. And this is something we take very seriously indeed, because it can affect the whole dynamic in the healthcare team, and it's something we look at closely when we see complaints about this from regulators. So we see a few cases about sexual misconduct. Sometimes a doctor or nurse with a patient, sometimes between colleagues, and also if the practitioner is being a supervisor for a student or a trainee, that's a real problem where there's an imbalance of power, and we take that very seriously indeed, because it can affect the quality of the training and the ongoing care that that trainee is able to give to the public. Obviously, people will ask why we have an additional layer of public protection like this. This came from the Bristol scandal, from the Shipman scandal, where there was a big concern that the fitness to practice panels of the regulators weren't providing decisions which really protected the public and which were too lenient to the practitioner. We're there to deal with the quite small number of cases where things go wrong, to provide that protection against registrants who either shouldn't be practicing or haven't been dealt with appropriately.